Hey, John Schuster here with Coldwell Banker Realty. One of the biggest frustrations for sellers is when a home sits on the market for longer than expected. So why does this happen? In most cases, it comes down to three things: price, presentation, and promotion. First, price. If a home is not aligned with market value, buyers will simply pass on it. Second, presentation. Today's buyers want move-in ready homes. If a property feels dated or cluttered, it loses appeal. And third, promotion. Simply putting a sign in the yard is not enough. You need a strong marketing strategy that gets your home in front of the right buyers online and offline. The good news, all three of these are fixable. With the right pricing strategy, professional preparation, and aggressive marketing, we can turn a stale listing into a sold one. If you're planning on selling soon, let's talk about how to position to sell it quickly and for top dollar. Contact us anytime. Call or text me at 952-222-9000 or just go to johnschustergroup.com.
Buy a home, sell a home, we'll get you moving. johnschustergroup.com